Welcome back to the second part of the Arm Gada series. Now we're going to start working on the swing motion. We've got the weight up, now how do we swing? This is a very particular motion. Instead of coming down over one diagonal, we're coming over one side. Now this is very similar to swinging jory clubs, but with one arm. When you send the weight, you have to think of sending the weight. Again, pane of glass. You want to send the weight that way. You're sending the weight over there. So it catches here, swings down here, comes up over here. This hand's doing this turning motion in the back. You'll turn, put it over, gently rest on the shoulder, recock, bring it down to the center of the navel, pull it, send it through, over, place, recock, over, send it through, recock. Let's see what that looks like. So from the ground, picking it up, sending it over, up and over, slide it through. Now I'll do it slow. See my hand, it's down by my waist. Watch my hand what it's doing. It's going to go that way. When it goes that way, this goes that way. Let's see. I catch the weight here, in the clavicle. Think of this as a round bullet going into the chamber of a rifle. It needs to be in the exact spot. If it's out here, that's going to hurt. If it's here, it's going to hurt. So you need to make sure you get it correctly. Initially it might hurt coming over the traps, but you shouldn't be sliding it over the shoulder. It should be coming up and over, placing lightly on the top of your pec. Coming over. Coming over. If you're sliding, cranking it over your shoulder, it's too heavy. Use a lighter weight. Drop down. To show you the point, I use the reverse angle so you can see what my hands are doing as well in the rear. And my arm, my body also. So you swing up, come over, come through. When you're pulling over, much like when you're using the jory, you'll turn. You'll turn at the waist, keeping the hips more or less square. You're going to turn, because this allows you again to shorten the distance the way it's coming. Then you recock, shortening again. This kind of motion here, like a crazy kind of dance. Some kind of Tai Chi action. Once you've got that, it becomes simpler. Your hand lightly gripping. In the back, it's turning. Two planes of glass, simple. Looks simple, you need to work on it though. But it's a very good exercise to use, especially if you use two pairs of clubs. I hope that this has been a useful lesson for you. I hope to see you again soon.